The ORASECOM River Basin is the larger catchment whereby the river called Senqu Lesotho water flows from the source to the sea. It is shared by 4 member states, which is the Kingdom of Lesotho, the Republic of South Africa, the Republic of Botswana, and the Republic of Namibia. The 4 member states established a platform from which issues around water resources management, conservation, and utilization are discussed. That is where issues around how much water is used by each member state for socio-economic development is. And the platform at which the issues around the management in terms of droughts, in terms of floods, are discussed. It is important to note that cooperation between countries that share water resources is very vital, because if that is not the case, conflicts can arise. Upstream countries should observe the water needs of the downstream countries. Likewise, downstream countries, as they develop the water resources, should also observe the water needs of the upstream countries, so that at the end of the day, there is what we call equitable utilization and for the prosperity of all the nations. It is important, as anyone can attest to, that water is a driver of the socio-economic development. Amongst others, in order to do so, the 4 member states agreed on a survey of the quality of the waters of the ORASECOM River every 5 years. So far, we have undertaken 2. We are just about to embark onto the 3rd one. In the first one, a map showing the trend on the quality of the water of the ORASECOM River was produced. Unfortunately, the trend shows that the river is being impacted, and seriously so, with time. The second one was therefore focused on disseminating information to the communities that depend on the resources of the river. The school children were recruited through their schools to undertake some poetry so that that information could ultimately get to the people. It was done in local languages for the good reason that the communities should understand the importance of the water resources utilization and use. Large projects like the Lesotho Highlands Water Project could not survive if such platforms were not in existence. We are now embarking on larger transboundary water developments, including the Lesotho Botswana Water Transfer Project, which is intended to transfer water from the Kingdom of Lesotho up to the Republic of Botswana through South Africa, and the water would be shared between the 3 member states. Of course, in the same line, the 3 member states would be observing the needs of the water by the Republic of Namibia. That is the whole reason why the ORASECOM River Basin was established. The Joint Basin Survey will continue because it is important for it to show us the status of the water resource, the status of the basin catchment itself, so that the different member states in their own territories can take steps to make sure that they conserve such water resources for the best and for the future of our generations in all the member states.